Good day everyone, my name is Christine Literatos from grade 12 ABM Benevolence. Now I will continue to discuss about quantitative data collection techniques. Guidelines and formulating interview question. From the borrowed books on research are these tips on interview questions formulating that you have to keep in mind to construct effective questions to elicit the desired data of your research study. First, use clear and simple language. Second, avoid using acronyms, abbreviations, jargons, and hypothetical terms. C. Let one question elicit only one answer. No double-barrel question. Fourth, express your point in exact, specific, bias-free, and gender-free language. Fifth, give way to have your respondents want themselves to be identified. 6. Establish continuity or free flow or respondents' thoughts by using appropriate follow-up question. 6. Ask your question in sequential manner. Determine which should be your opening, middle, or close question. Third, experiment. An experiment is a scientific method of collecting data whereby you give the subject a short of treatment or condition, then evaluate the result to find out the manner by which the treatment affects the subject and to discover the reason behind the effects of such treatment on the subject. This quantitative data gathering techniques aims to manipulating or controlling conditions to show which condition or treatment has effect on the subject and to determine how much condition or treatment operates or functions to yield a certain outcome. The process of collecting data through experimentation involves selection of subject or participant, retesting the subject viewer to the application of any treatment or condition, and giving the subject post-test to determine the effects of the treatment on them. These components of experiment operate in various ways. Consider the following combination or mixture of the components that same research studies adopt. A. Treatment to evaluation. B. Pretest to treatment to post-test. C. Pretest to multiple treatment to post-test. D. Pretest to treatment to immediate post-test to 6-month post-test to 1 year to post-test. These three words, treatment, intervention, and condition, means the same thing in relation to experimentation. These are the terms to mean the things given or applied to the subject to the yield certain effect or change on the said subject. For instance, in finding out the intents of communicative competence of the subject, both these participants in learning conditions where they were performed varied communicative activities, such as dramatizing a story, roundtable discussions, interviewing people, table topic conversations, and the like. Dealing or treatment, their communicative activities in 2 or more modes of communication is giving them multiple treatments. The basic elements of experiment, which are subject, pretest, treatment, and post-test, do not operate only for examining causal relationship, but also for discovering, verifying, and illustrating theories, hypotheses, or facts. Fourth, content analysis. Content analysis is another quantitative data collection technique that makes you search through several oral or written forms of communication to find answer to your research question. Used in quantitative and qualitative research studies, this data collection method is not only for examining printed materials but also for analyzing information coming from known book materials like photographs, films, videotapes, painting, drawings, and the like. Here, you focus your study on a single subject or on 2 entities to determine their comparative features. Any content analysis you want to do is preceded by your true understanding of your research questions, because These are the questions to guide you in determining which aspect of a content of communication should you focus on to find the answer to the main problem of your research. Measurement skills of quantitative data. In quantitative research, measurements of data expressed in numerical form in a skills or one that contains series of graduated quantities, values, degrees, numbers, and so on. Thinking about the type of skills of measurement that you have to use in your quantitative research. It is important because your measurement choice tells you the type of statistical analysis to use in your study. Not knowing which skills of measurement to use may result in your erroneous examination of the data. Examples: nominal skills categorize people based on gender, religion, position, etc. Religion, example, Catholic, Buddhist, Muslim, Protestant. Sa gender, male and female. Sa position, CEO, President, Vice President, Director, Manager, Assistant Manager. Summing up the points of variables, you will arrive at a certain total that you can express in terms of percentage, fraction, or decimal like 30% of males, 25% of females, 10% of Catholics, 405 of Buddhists, and so forth. Second, ordinal skill. Ranking or ranging the classified variables to determine who should be the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, etc. in the group. Third, interval skills. Showing equal interval or different of people view or attitudes like this one example of the skills called Likert attitude skill. Fifth, ratio skill. Rating something for 0 to certain point. Performance in math subject. A grade of 89% from 0 to 100%. And that's all. Thank you.